guys, you're gonna do an art experiment. You need milk and this thing, whatever it's called, and we also need this thing like this, soap. And we need food coloring, and we need earwax, Q-tips. Now let's get started. We start by pouring the milk by the bottom of this thing. Yeah, of this. Now, since we finished our Tupperware with milk, we're gonna pick what food coloring that we need. I picked the red one. I picked the blue one. And now we're gonna pour it in. Put a few drops. I'm doing 2 drops like that too. Your Q-tip and dip it into this soap. Don't forget to put a lot. Q-tip into a color. Whoa! My turn. Whoa, it's so cool. Whoa, it's so cool. Look at that. Look at this, Mom. It's awesome! Right now I'm mixing it. We're gonna try this again, but we're just gonna put a little bit of soap, so it's gonna just burst out little. This is so cool, guys, what we are making. We never saw this in our life. See, this is so easy. You can just find things all around your house like that we just made. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe.